y'all, Bro Family here for another video. We're on scene of a monitored fire alarm. Quint 1, Rescue 1, Quint 10, Rescue 2, and Engine 1 over here. Plus the command vehicle is rolling up on scene. Unknown as status conditions. Yep, command is rolling up on scene. Likely we're gonna have a few friends joining in, but by the looks of it, it's not gonna last longer. As you can see, Engine 1, the old Impel, Command, Rescue 2, Quint 1, Rescue 1, and Quint 10 are all here. They got the call like literally not even 2 minutes ago. And right now they're doing a 360 check. The fact that this particular building has been closed really has got to make you wonder what just happened. Looks like 360 check is being completed by both Quint 10 and Quint 1. Currently at this time, it looks like they're not in any hurry. Could be a strikeout. No hoses have been drawn. You can see Quint 10 way at the end there, the one we saw the other day. And by the looks of it, it's nothing too severe. And PD is currently on the scene. Number 25 has responded to this. You know, 90% of these calls, and usually the monitored fire alarm can be triggered by almost anything, but by the looks of it, they're going in with silver bullets. So it could be a very, very small fire. Looks like it'll end up being because they went in with the water cans, aka silver bullets, aka small fire extinguishers. And by the looks of it, there's going to be a PD cross. Maybe not. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. PD. Yep. It sounds like disturbance, public disturbance. Public disturbance with PD en route. Number 32. I don't need to watch that. Sounds like whatever it was, it caused car 29, car 25, car 32, and possibly a fourth squad to have to respond to this. Engine 1 is taking up. It looks like whatever it was, it is now cleared up, and they are returning the quarters. Go get him! Engine 1 taken up. Engine 1 paramedic returning the quarters. Engine 10 returning the quarters. Rescue 2 returning the quarters. Command is now returning to Station 2. Car 22 is now arriving. Whoop, I almost dropped my bike. And there it goes. Oh well. Oh dear. Oh, this is pretty interesting. Whatever happened, it was fast. Rescue 1 and... Hi! A wasp was getting dangerously close to stinging me, and I did not even notice. Well, we're gonna take up because there's not much else to see here. Quint 1 will be returning to quarters. Rescue 1 will follow. Well, it's gonna be another car. Car 23. Quint 1 is taking up from the monitored fire alarm, followed shortly by Rescue 1. Five squad cars for this incident.